direction in which hands of a clock move is known as clockwise direction. The direction in movement opposite of a hand of a clock is known as anti-clockwise direction. In clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, there are three turns, that are quarter turn, half turn and full turn. This is a quarter turn of clockwise, quarter turn of anti-clockwise. Half turn of clockwise, half turn of anti-clockwise. Full turn of clockwise. Anti-clockwise of full turn. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Hi, welcome to Think Today. Myself, I am P. Sahasra. I am studying 5th Shishtita. My club name is Mathematics. My task name is Octagon. Today, I want to tell about 1 by 2 turn and 1 by 4 turn. Now, I will show the examples of 1 by 2 turn and 1 by 4 turn. These are the examples of 1 by 2 turn. These are the examples of 1 by 4 turn. Now, I want to tell about rotational symmetry of 1 by 2 turn and 1 by 4 turn. Rotational symmetry is nothing but the shapes and objects that look the same after a certain amount of rotation is said to be have rotational symmetry. This is the example of 1 by 2 rotational symmetry. When we turn the figure of 1 by 2, it looks the same. Example, the figure looks vertical line, horizontal shape is known as 1 by 2 rotational symmetry. This is the example of 1 by 4 rotational symmetry. When the object of figure is 1 by 4, the figure looks same. When we turn like vertical line horizontal, we need to observe the figure of the point. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
A pretty good morning to everyone. My name is Sirimoksha. I am from 5th S1. I am in Maths group. My stall is Octagon. Today I am going to explain about the 1/3 turn and 1/60 turn and rotational symmetry. Now I will explain about the 1/3 turn example. This is the 1/3 turn example, and this is also the same 1/3 turn example, and this is also the same 1/3 turn example. This is the 1 by 3 turn example. When we rotate the 1 turn into like this, it will become like this, and when we rotate the last turn, it will become like this. And next, I will explain about the 1/6 turn examples. This is the 1/6 turn, and when we rotate this, it will become like this, and when we rotate this, it will become like this, and when we rotate the 3 turn, it will become like this, and when we rotate the 4 turn, it will become like this, and when we rotate the 5 turn, it will become like this, and when we rotate the 6 turn, it will become like this. And thank you.
Myself Varun Kumar. I am from 5th grade. My section is Aryabhatta. My school name is Siddhartha High School. My subject is Maths. My star name is Octagon. Today we are going to learn about clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. The clockwise direction, this handle is moving in this direction. This is called anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, this handle is moving opposite direction. This is called anti-clockwise direction. Thank you for giving me a golden opportunity.